Want to know more about the mail-order drug program? Patients with chronic conditions can have many of their maintenance medications delivered directly to their homes with no shipping costs. Mail order or home delivery drug services are provided through the Express Scripts Home Delivery Pharmacy. There are multiple advantages to using Express Scripts Home Delivery Pharmacy. It's hard to beat the convenience of medications being delivered directly to the patient's home. The Home Delivery Pharmacy offers 24/7 access. Patients can speak directly to Express Scripts expert pharmacists anytime from the privacy of their home. The mail-order drug program delivers possible savings as well. Some members on copay plans may be eligible to get a 90-day supply of medications for less than the cost of 3 copays. There's no waiting for the pharmacy to open or long drive to a brick-and-mortar location either. Thanks to the availability, patients with chronic conditions who receive maintenance medications through home delivery are more likely to take them as needed. The program gives the patients less to worry about. Express Scripts Home Delivery Pharmacy is highly accurate and professionally packages medications to keep them safe during delivery. Signing up for home delivery is easy. There are multiple ways to sign up. Visit the pharmacy page by going to wpshealth.com, or patients can sign up online using Express Scripts' website. Patients can also ask their prescribers to send an e-prescription to Express Scripts Home Delivery to get started. From there, the home delivery pharmacy will contact the member to confirm delivery and payment information before sending the prescription. The mail-order drug program from the Express Scripts Home Delivery Program is reliable, convenient, and safe. If you have any questions, please call the customer service number on your ID card.